Alright, we're here in Jake's garage. It's February 20th, 2011, and this is the next video for Jake's Pietenpol project.
Well, hello out there. What I'm doing today is working on the firewall. In particular, I'm doing what's called engine turning or burnishing the firewall. Basically, every inch or so I move it down and burnish a circle. So we'll show you what we're doing here. It's going to have this pattern to it. It's referred to as engine turning, as I mentioned. I've made my own piece. There was actually a different YouTube video I saw on using a product called Kratex, made by, it's a machining, this is number 6168C, and I actually turned a hole saw like this in my lathe. This is the coarse version, and the fine version works better. But I turned this in my lathe with carbide cutters and have some pins in there to lock it in place with epoxy. You can go all day long with this stuff, and it really burnishes quite nicely. I've tried wire brushes, I've tried a bunch of other things. It just didn't work as well. I've been using an index system here where every inch or so it's moved in a red line or the blue dashes. So I keep moving it down and then offset it. And then the indexing wasn't as elaborate, and I worked on it last night and actually had some problems with one of these rows that got crooked on me, so I got more precise on the indexing. So I'll show you where the firewall is going to go here in the plane. So here's the Rotec 7-cylinder R2800 engine, and the firewall is going to go right here where this foam core is. It would fit right in here. The airplane's coming together nicely. I did the engine turning on these instrument panels. This one here, and then the pilot's panel back here. This is the raised wood for that. The seats have come along nicely, and I've mocked up the center section. So we're having a good time working on the Pietenpol.